So TransferMate Global Payments makes it really easy for businesses and banks to send and receive cross-border payments. So we're really an alternative to the correspondent banking and SWIFT network. So we set up the company in 2010 as part of the TaxBack Group, which has 1,400 employees. Out of our own frustrations as a business, really trying to track down missing payments, trying to make the whole process much more efficient. And then we took advantage of the Payment Services Directive, which was transcribed into law in Ireland in 2009, and really tried to solve that problem for the rest of the globe. So we're on a mission to make business payments as easy as consumer payments. TransferMate Global Payments has flown under the radar really for the last 8 years. So we've been busy building our global license footprint. We're licensed across Europe, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and pretty uniquely for a non-bank fintech across the states, where you have to get regulated in each and every state. So we finished that process in May 2017, and since then we've been scaling aggressively. So we've been invested in by ING in July, and in November 2017 by AIB. So the company is valued at over 350 million. And really we're kind of announcing our presence to the market this year in 2018. So part of the reason we attended PayExpo was to enhance our distribution network. So to find new partners and to help them embed and integrate cross-border payments into their applications and platforms. So we do that in a way that makes it really easy for them to provide a much better cross-border payments experience than their customers would receive otherwise. For us, the payments is an ecosystem, so you can't operate alone. So TransferMate Global Payments has been building the business since 2010, and really 2018 is the year where we've come out to the market and really scaled and started accelerating. We've got invested with ING in late 2017 by AIB. We have a top 5 bank that we're going to be bringing on board and implementing. We also have lots of technology platform partnerships and collaborations. So for us, in order to scale, we have to engage with the ecosystem and the network. So we're really looking to help partners and other companies embed cross-border payments into their applications and platforms. PayExpo is really well attended this year, particularly my talk, which was on APIs, encouraging competition and innovation. So it's great to see everyone taking a real interest on the innovations that are driving this industry forward. So and I think you get to see everything that's going on in the market here. So I think we've found it very useful and valuable to see what's going on and to sign new partnership deals. So I think in the last decade in payments, you've seen a lot of evolution around embedded and invisible payments. So between Amazon One Click, the Uber embedded invisible payments, more recently Amazon Go. I think what you're going to see in the business payments world is the same focus on user and customer experience. In this case, the customer is actually the accounts payable and accounts receivable folks, who are normally stuck away in a dark corner and have to operate with file exchanges and these clunky batch processes. So that's something that TransferMate Global Payments are really looking to change, to bring over the next 5 to 10 years the same level of customer experience that consumers have come to expect, to bring that to businesses. That's what we think is going to be the big, in fact, not evolution, but revolution in payments over the next 5 to 10 years.